Welcome. Hello, Jesse Hooper and Karim Garcia from New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, your local luxury lifestyle residential specialists.
Welcome this beautiful family home, 6 Cara Avenue, Huapai, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and more future.
This is built by the renowned award-winning Legendary Homes. We're going to stop talking. Let's go take the tour.
Thank you for being with us today.
We look forward to meeting you at one of the up-and-coming open homes. Alternatively, if that doesn't work for you, get in touch for a private viewing and secure this property.